Today we're going to talk about what Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is doing to help you to apply artificial intelligence to your most important business scenarios. Let's talk first about what customers are looking for and what they're struggling with in their AI journey. The thing we hear repeatedly is that customers want AI that understands their business context. It's tailored to their production and operational environments. So they're not looking for simple proofs of concept. This means having common and integrated tools for managing things like data labels, training your models, or reusing the inputs into training. They want a truly open ecosystem. They want to use the AI tools that are the best in the industry. And that could be open source libraries, it could be third-party ISVs, it could be to innovations that we've done here at Oracle. You may already be familiar with our machine learning platform. It's been available for years now. So we continue to expand these basic platform offerings. And today we're announcing a new service for data labeling with a simple, consistent experience to make it easy to label your text or images and to use those labels to customize your machine learning models. But the heart of today's announcement is the developer layer, a comprehensive set of pre-trained plug-and-play AI services. With these new services, we're giving developers the ability to easily consume already built machine learning models to extend their apps and solutions without needing to be machine learning experts. And you can use our services to easily further tailor these models to work with the specific context of your own industry and your own business. It makes it really easy for developers to apply machine learning technology directly to their solutions, all based on simple API calls. Now, you may already be familiar with Oracle's digital assistant platform, which has been in production and heavily used since 2018. It has pre-built skills, templates to create conversational experiences for your business apps. So one key area for using AI is language processing. The new OCI language service is trained on industry data and allows you to easily analyze unstructured text information. You can identify things like the language that's being used, named entities within the context of the document or the language that you're analyzing. So these could be things like people, places, dates, organizations, what the text is about, so topics, key phrases, and lastly, sentiment. While working with text is important, you also have to deal with speech. So many times data you want to analyze and search just isn't, it's language, but it doesn't come in the form of text. So today we're introducing the OCI speech service. This service performs acoustic speech recognition and converts speech to text. So developers can use Oracle's proven acoustic and language models, and you don't need any data science expertise to do this. So it's easy to work with the data you have in OCI. You can process directly data in the object storage. So if you have data in a data lake, it's there. You don't have to move it. You can work with it directly, and you can get accurate and time-stamped transcriptions. With the rise of digital media, sensors and cameras are now everywhere. Analyzing images and video has become a key priority for enterprise businesses. So that's why we built our computer vision service. So the OCI Vision service provides two main capabilities. The first one is for analyzing the images. So you may need to be able to tell the type of an object within an image. The second major capability that we're introducing in the OCI Vision service is around document AI. You can use it to understand the scanned documents you have, scanned forms, PDFs, even photos that have been taken with a phone of a document. So the services we've talked about so far are perceptual. They allow us to solve problems that previously relied on a human's ability to see, to hear, and then interpret the information. However, customers in many cases want to use AI to support them in decision making. So this may be making predictions or recommendations on what to do next. Common scenario here is detecting anomalies in your data. The OCI Anomaly Detection Service simplifies the creation of anomaly detection models that flag critical incidents, resulting in faster time to detection and resolution. The Anomaly Detection Service is backed by more than 150 patents using our MSET2 algorithm. We combine this with other deep learning techniques. The algorithms work together to ensure high sensitivity and better false alarm avoidance than other machine learning approaches. Let's talk about your business. One of the most important things businesses want to do is predict the future. Whether it's forecasting revenues, profits, demand, or resources, things like employees, data center assets, equipment. Business forecasting is complex. It's just a difficult task. This is why we created the OCI forecasting service. The service allows you to forecast a variety of business metrics, including things like product demand, revenue, resource requirements, service requests. You can build multiple models. You can combine them to really maximize your forecast accuracy. The models will give you the forecast with confidence intervals and also includes explainability. OCI AI is not just about developers. We have an extensive tool set for the professional data scientists. OCI Data Science is a standard data science service that acts as a platform for leveraging open source algorithms and frameworks. In addition, we have the Oracle Database Machine Learning, which is included with the Oracle Database. In many of these AI use cases, customers need to make custom models that really work for their business. And that requires bringing your organizational data. You need training data to be labeled, whether you're working with text or images. And it's really hard to do this at enterprise scale if you need lots of people to participate in the labeling. So today we're also announcing a new service for data labeling. It provides an easy and convenient way to label your data. The OCI labeling service can be used with all the AI services we discussed today, whether you're building a custom model from scratch. Now, last but not least, we're doing all this the right way. Our AI platform is designed to be open. With Oracle AI, you can use your favorite third-party and open source tools. In OCI Data Science, we have curated content environments which contain all the popular open source libraries and provided for data scientists to use on all kinds of different use cases. Users can also easily add others and create their own condas, so it's an open, extensible environment. Second, we're working to make sure that you can use your AI anywhere. A machine learning model built with Oracle AI can be ported to any environment. Oracle uses machine learning open standards like Onyx so that machine learning models will be portable to virtually any platform. And lastly, we are committed to open source. We're announcing the upcoming open source release of our own accelerated data science library, which is part of OCI Data Science Service. So now the ADS client library will be accessible from anywhere. If you want to learn more, just go to oracle.com/AI and try out these new services.